Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the Baby Alive Real Surprises Baby, and we're going to see what some of those surprises actually might be. Baby Alive comes with a bottle, 3 packages of food, and 3 diapers. And I think we're going to figure out what those diapers are for. Now, Baby Alive talks, tells you things, tells you if she's still hungry, if she's maybe had some accidents in her diaper, and other things. So let's see how Baby Alive works. Okay, so let's push her belly, like that. Now let's give her a little water and see what happens. So, a little water. And then
I'm hungry.
So now she's hungry, so we can make her some food. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a package of food that comes with... And
I'm so hungry.
We're going to mix it in with some water and see what happens. So. And we'll mix it up. Okay, so we've added the food to the water, like this. So we're gonna roll.
Where are you?
Uh-oh, she's about to tip over. So we've added the food to the water, and now we get to feed her. So let's see what it looks like when we feed Baby Alive. Okay, so we've made her food right here.
No, not.
And so now we've got to feed her.
Okay, I'm tired.
Uh-oh, it went down her... Sure. It sounds like she's snoring. Now you'll see it's kind of hard to get her to eat. But she likes the food. You can hear her eating.
Yummy. More, please.
So we're going to keep feeding her and see what happens. Okay,
Let's play.
we've kept feeding her, and let's see if she gets full.
Tickle my tummy.
So, give her another couple more bites.
Yep.
Uh-oh, she burped. She burped. And I think she just had an accident.
Did I make a stinky?
Uh-oh, so she has gone in her diaper. Let's see what that looks like. No? Okay. Okay, so now let's look and see if she's made a little surprise. You lift your legs up just like a real baby. Maybe a little bit more than what a real baby would do. And you can see right there that baby surprises is a little bit too much like a real baby, and she's got a dirty diaper. So you change the diaper, put it back on, and baby surprises is ready for a nap. Okay, so we're going to change her diaper.
No, not.
Just like a real baby. Now, one thing about Baby Alive is that she likes her mommy. So if you got a little boy that wants to be a daddy, you might be out of luck. So as a daddy, I have changed many a diapers. And there you go. Now you put a pacifier in her mouth, which is right here. Oh. And she's ready for her nap. You hear her sucking on her pacifier, and then you can see her eyes go to sleep. Okay, our final verdict on the Baby Alive Real Surprises Baby. So I'm going to give her 4.5 stars. Now, she's a little messy to feed, a little messy to change. Be nice if she came with a little bit more food and a few more diapers. But other than that, it really is kind of like a real baby doll. Now, if you got a little boy that wants to be a daddy, you might be a little bit out of luck. But for a little girl, this might be the most realistic doll that you're going to find. So I'm going to give her 4.5 stars. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have Baby Alive, let me know what you like about her, and comment on the review. So take care and have a great day.